unu na-asị unu nnọọ na Igbo Online College. Ekene m gị onye ọma njem na ana m asị gị nnọọ na Igbo Online College. Demedalụ maka ichiyata ịmụ asụsụ Igbo, asụsụ na-enye ọṅụ. I welcome you all back to Igbo Online College. To my new subscribers, I welcome you in a very special way. N'ụzọ pụrụ iche ka m na-asị gị nnọọ. Returning subscribers, thank you for sticking to this channel. So today I want to tell you 5 things. I want to give you 5 tips that will help you to learn Igbo. I'm talking specifically to those people that really want to learn Igbo. Yes, for you to have wanted to learn Igbo, it means you love Igbo. So these are the 5 tips. Number 1 is love Igbo. Of course, you love Igbo for you to even want to learn it. You love Igbo, and of course, you might love Igbo people. You could just like generally Igbo people and you want to learn Igbo. Number 2 is deepen your interests. For you to want to learn Igbo, you have interests in it. You must have developed your interest. So deepen your interests. Yes, deepen your interest. Take it further. Deepen your interest. It is not enough that you are interested. When you deepen your interest, it will make you to go the extra mile in learning the language. The 3rd point is don't wait till you learn the whole Igbo before you start speaking. The moment you learn just one, start using it. If you learn any construction, start using it. Yes, you can use it and mix it with English. Yes, even Igbo people could mix. So don't feel, I didn't get this. I don't know how to say this. Go ahead and say it. Go ahead and mix it with English. With time, you will know enough vocabularies to help you not to could mix anymore. Then, the 5th one is get a teacher. You heard it. Yes, get a tutor. Get a tutor, somebody that will coach you. You know why? You might say, let me be watching YouTube videos, let me just learn it on my own. If you don't have a physical, maybe a friend, a colleague, or a neighbor, or a teacher that you pay to put you through some things, it might take you a whole lot of time, and at the end of the day, you might not really learn the rules. You will just learn Igbo here and there, but you will not learn the rules, especially when you want to speak fluently, when you want to really know the rules and you want to form sentences on your own. You really need to get a tutor to help you, because as other language, just like every other language, there are rules. And in Igbo is peculiar in the sense that there are a lot of things that will make a word have a particular meaning. Let me just give you a few tips. In Igbo, you mind your tone. The tone is very important in Igbo, because a word could mean several things depending on the situation, depending on the context. You really need to know how these words work. In Igbo, a lot of the parts of speech are closed. So you have to know this is what is it. Example, you have in English, you just have what, how, why. They are specific. What, how, why. They are specific. But in Igbo, kedu, gini, ole, these these things could be used interchangeably to mean what, why, how. So you need someone to really put you through, because when you're learning it on your own, at times you could get confused, and this confusion can bring frustration. Meanwhile, Igbo is very simple. You just need somebody to tell you, this is the rule, this is the rule, and that is another rule. So that when you encounter a difficulty, you know why this is this and why that is that. So, the last one, a bonus point, is this is specifically to the Igbo people. Please don't cheapen Igbo. Yes, don't cheapen Igbo. Don't just call a tutor, or you feel people should not be paid for teaching Igbo, or you feel people should not pay to get tutored on Igbo, or I don't know how people feel about it. You see somebody trying to learn Igbo, you start making mockery of the person. Please stop. Stop it. Stop it. That's the worst thing you can do. Or telling yourself that you don't need Igbo. What are you doing with Igbo? What are your children going to do with Igbo? After all, English is economically beneficial. Then let me ask you one question. Who are you? You can never be whiter than the whites. Odemma, just follow these few tips. The number one tip I will recommend any day, anytime, if you want to learn Igbo: practice, 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 practice. Practice, practice, and practice again. I say practice. Don't wait till you learn the whole Igbo. Just continue speaking, all right? Just say it. Once you learn a construction, you can, if you can't remember, add English, speak, they go. Even if they laugh at you, because they will laugh at you, because you might pronounce something in a very funny way, and we go laugh. Oh, you know, say we are full of vibes, so we will laugh at you, but then it's not a harmful laugh. It's not like the person is mocking you. It's not a mockery laugh. It's just that what you said, the way you said it, could be funny and people will laugh. So don't let it deter you. Just go ahead and practice, 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 and practice. Don't wait till you learn the whole Igbo. Remember that. Always do not wait till you learn the whole vocabulary. Add English, add Igbo, and speak till gradually you will start to gain more vocabulary, and you become a pro. So till I see you in my next video. Bye bye.